Long ago, when Lord Buddha was teaching in the city of Varanasi, there lived a famous dancer named Rajlaxmi. She was known for her grace, beauty. She also had great faith in religion. Her parents had made her a Devadasi since childhood, so she never got the chance to live a normal life like other girls. Despite having no interest, she had to learn dance and make it her career. She began dancing gracefully, and everyone admired her. She was not only a good dancer, but also a very charming girl. She had big eyes, long black hair, and seemed like a divine dancer from heaven. That is why the king did not want to lose her at any cost. She attracted all the people of Varanasi. They would gather from faraway villages just to watch her dance. Though admired by many, Rajlaxmi often felt empty within. After every performance, when the applause ended and the lights faded, she asked herself, "What is the true meaning of my life?" She had a close friend, Damayanti, to whom she shared all her secrets. Although the king always wanted her presence to make him happy, Rajlaxmi herself never found joy. She knew all happiness was temporary. She longed for a deeper, lasting peace, which she could not find in the royal court. She often went with Damayanti to the temple of Lord Krishna. Damayanti, who was also a Devadasi, used to think, "What can I do to make my friend truly happy?" One day, while Damayanti was plucking flowers for worship in the garden, she overheard two maids talking. They said that Lord Buddha had come to Varanasi, near the kingdom. Many people were going to hear him speak about the real meaning of life. Excited, Damayanti asked, "Excuse me, does Lord Buddha really answer people's questions and solve the doubts in their minds?" One maid replied, "Yes, of course. Many go to him and receive the answers they have been seeking." Hearing this, Damayanti was overjoyed. She quickly returned to Rajlaxmi's chambers, eager to share the news. At that moment, Rajlaxmi was preparing for her court performance. Damayanti ordered all the other maids to leave. Surprised, Rajlaxmi asked why she was acting so strangely. Damayanti then told her about Lord Buddha and suggested that she go and listen to him. Rajlaxmi said, "First, I must perform in the king's court, because the king and other honorable people are waiting for me. It is my duty to satisfy them. After that, in the evening, we will go." Lord Buddha was staying by the riverbank, as he never resided in towns or royal courts. After her performance, Rajlaxmi asked the king's permission to meet Buddha. The king feared losing her if she met the great teacher, so he refused. But when Rajlaxmi firmly expressed her wish, he reluctantly agreed and sent soldiers to accompany her. She traveled there in a palanquin. She had never seen Lord Buddha before, and imagined he would look like other saints with long beards, ashes smeared on their bodies, and Rudraksha beads. But when she reached the gathering, she felt a deep peace in the air. She heard his voice and slowly moved closer, sitting among the crowd. His discourse was about the middle path, neither indulging too much in luxury nor torturing the body with extreme hardship. His words touched her deeply, but she still wanted clarity. After the discourse, she approached Buddha. The moment she saw him, she was struck by his presence. He was unlike any saint she had ever seen. His aura was radiant and serene. Buddha, reading her heart, asked gently, "Who are you, my daughter?" Hearing his words, she felt humbled. She said, "Lord, I am only a dancer. How can I follow the path of truth?" Buddha smiled and asked, "Tell me, when you dance, how do you create music with your strings?" She replied, "If the strings are too loose, there is no sound. If they are too tight, they break. Only when they are tuned in balance does the instrument create harmony." Buddha nodded and said, "Just like your strings, life too must be lived in balance. Not too loose, not too tight. Walk the path of balance, and your life will sing in harmony with truth." Those words opened her heart. From that day, Rajlaxmi continued to dance, but with a new awareness. Her performances were no longer to seek applause, but to express gratitude for life. Eventually, she became a devoted follower of Buddha, teaching others that true art is born when the heart is in balance. Moral: balance is the key to life. Neither extreme pleasure nor extreme hardship leads to peace. A steady, balanced mind creates harmony just like a well-tuned instrument.